All right, folks, it's Thursday, August 17th. We're going to have to make this a very fast show because we got to get on the LLAP conference at 1 p.m. at Sadati. It's starting right now. So, man, this morning looked ugly, and things are turning out really, really good for us today. ARKK, okay, we're talking about big correction here, 39.50. We think is the worst case scenario. It's been slicing through all kinds of supports, but I think it's low enough to start buying. The RSI is 31. So we've been buying ARK. We're not waiting for 39.50. SPY, I'm more negative on SPY because we just broke down below the 50-day moving average. It's getting a little bit of a bounce here over here at 440, but I'm actually looking for 432. As long as we stay below that 50-day, I'm looking for a move to 432, which is the 20-week moving average. So I'm looking for that rotation. Hold on here. This LAP conference just started and it overtook my screen. Let me move it over to the right-hand side. All right. So let me try to do this. So I'm looking for a rotation, add a SPY, back into risk assets. Speaking of risk assets, oh, by the way, Kamada, KMDA was our only stock that we gave you this morning as a trade idea. The only one. Look at it. It's up 9%. We gave it to you yesterday, too. We gave yesterday morning with a target of 550 to 6. And we're right on the way over there. All right, man, I got Mark Bell from LAP speaking in my ear over here. Let's see if we could do this. All right, other stocks, top conviction. So besides that trade on KMDA, okay, all we're doing is holding. We're holding LAP, Apron, also PSQH, we'll talk about in a second. Quick, Yatra, VTSI, Uber, and Rivian. There was relative strength on this morning. We picked up a little bit of Rivian. So let's just go to Apron. We had an event on this yesterday with Chris Tuttle from IPO Candy, and that was a very great event. Fundamentals very strong, short position very high. We increased our position. We actually doubled our position during the show yesterday. So Apron looking really, really good. PSQH. All right, let me just share my screen here. All right, I'm going to share a screen to show you PSQH. Real quick, here we go to the E-Trade screen. All right, now, if you can see this, which I think you can, what I want to show you on PSQH, story trading, all right, multiple pillars. Multiple pillars are technicals, higher lows. You see all these higher lows, and then you see this resistance. It just broke out above that resistance. What do they call that? Like ascending triangles? I'm not such a technical guy. I do my own thing, but it looks like something technicians would like over here. So that's a technical pillar.
Then we have Catalyst coming up. Catalyst coming up is Tucker Carlson. They're going to be on the Tucker Carlson show. I contacted the CEO of PSQH. I said, hey, what's going on with Tucker? When are you going to be on? And he said, well, I can't tell you exactly, but all I can say is we're very excited about the relationship with Tucker Carlson. So expect huge visibility for PSQH coming up very soon. I just added to our position right here as I saw this breaking this resistance level, and I'm looking for 15 to 20 on PSQH. All right, let's head back to our list over here. As I hear Mark Bell from LAP presenting in the background. Okay, so things are looking good. Quick, I am surprised at this. This is a huge opportunity. I am surprised a lot of people have not caught on to this yet. Because there was no press release, that's why. The information's hidden in a conference call, just like it was. Well, I don't want to say just like it was with Air. Air, it was in the press release. But the information was hidden in the conference call. I really believe this was an inflection quarter for Quick, and Quick deserves to move towards all-time highs, definitely towards and 52-week highs at 950 plus. This is a huge opportunity. One of our largest positions we picked up after earnings here on August 15th. We're probably down on it now because you can see the last 2 days have been down. But you guys look into this. You are missing out. This is one of the best conference calls I've ever heard. They're not only flipping to substantial profitability in the second half, but they're sustaining that profitability through 2024. This is a historic inflection point for Quick, and this is going to end up being a huge opportunity for people who can buy it today, in my view. Yatra, we're holding for a move to $3 to $4. Still holding that, okay? We're not going to be shaken out of the market. India IPO coming soon. Any day, information on that is going to be coming out. So that's Yatra, VTSI over here. Wow, 20 DMAs. So we're going to hold on to this, waiting for this 50 DMA break at 750. This is kind of a safe long-term hold, I believe, given their cash position, their cash flow positive, and their earnings should be growing going forward. A little disappointed we didn't break out 750. I'll be honest with you. I thought we would, so we're just going to hold on tight to this one and wait for a move back to 750 plus. Upgrade this morning, and also strong relative strength. So this is looking great, bouncing off the 50 DMA. I think you can count on at least a 20 DMA hit there at around 46. As you're going to see ARK rebounding soon. This should take Uber to at least $46. Rivian also strong relative strength, bouncing off that 50-day moving average. I think this is a great entry also for Rivian after that great earnings. By the way, fundamentals, the earnings both good for Rivian and especially Uber recently. So that's why we're even looking at the technicals. I'm not a technical trader, folks, okay? We combine technicals with fundamentals, catalysts, and sentiment. ARK, ACHR, riding up this 20 DMA beautifully. So this is still in bull mode. I think you can pick up the dips on ACHR after all the big news we've covered on ACHR over the last several quarters. So things all of a sudden looking really good for our portfolio, despite the fact that ARKK is still down 1%, as a lot of our stocks here turning around. Man, Overstock earlier today looked like it was really bottoming. It was up a couple percent, while ARKK, hold on. Okay. As ARKK was down, Overstock was up, and I thought, hey, maybe we bottomed here. We're close to a bottom. Look at the gap here. The day before the Bed Bath & Beyond news, the high of the day was 26.44. The close is 25.54. Somewhere between 25.54 and 26.44 will be our low. We hit 26.28 today. That's the gap. I'm sorry. This is going up. I don't know exactly when, but how can this be worth less than it was before the Bed Bath & Beyond acquisition? I don't believe it. $20 million for an asset that I think is going to bring them at least $500 million in market cap value. That's my assessment on it, based on the sales of Bed Bath & Beyond online. They just need to grab like 10% of that for the stock to like double. All right. So we're going to have to leave it here with you because I got to go jump on the LAP call. Remember, a delta of information causes a delta in price. People say, oh my gosh, the stock market is so chaotic. It doesn't make sense. Not true. We could have explained every tick of this price action to you on Tuesday. It really started taking off at 11 a.m. when on the conference call, they said we have $180 million from Rivada in the second half of the year. When they said that we know about Rivada's funding, we just can't tell you about it. When they said that if these payments come in on time, we don't need to raise money again. All that happened at 11 a.m. and you saw the stock go boom. Now you got an event anticipation run. This is what this is about, right? Event anticipation run into the event I'm listening to right now out of the other side of my ear over here. So that's what's happening there. If they say nothing new, by the way, don't be surprised to see a pullback. Okay. Hopefully they're going to have something new. Hopefully an analyst is going to come out and press them again on Rivada paying them, and the stock can keep on going higher. We'll have to monitor that, and we'll let you know in the VIP trading room. All right. So that's that. Things are looking really good. So I'm happy we stuck with our conviction. We're keeping all these stocks. Look at this differentiation in stocks moving up today. By the way, Rum, after bad earnings, looks like it may have bottomed. CEO of Rum is out there tweeting relentlessly today, talking about one second. Yeah, apron. All right, let's go that. Let's put this up there. Let's put that up there. Okay. Wow. I don't know about that picture. That's a funny picture, something Wong. But look at that red to green reversal on apron today. Number one short streak candidate in Fintel. Absolutely. 28% short. So Rum, CEO. Okay. They're talking about Rivada right now. Rivada has been great. Rivada paying their bills on time, on schedule. 300 satellites. We're talking about LAP. $2.4 billion contract. Losing my voice, guys. Hang on tight. Look, PSQH strong, 1230 bid. Okay. Okay, great. So he just gave some comments on Rivada, reiterating everything we know. We'll wait till the end of the presentation to see if there's going to be follow-up questions on Rivada as LAP flipped from red to green, looking really good here. So I just want to point out, ARK looks like it's trying to bounce off this 40-50, and SPY looks a little bit weaker in my opinion. Well, maybe I'm reading into it, but I'm sticking with my prediction of 432 on SPY. Oh my God, my voice. All right, let me see if I got to get out of here. Let me see if there are any questions on Rumble. Don't see any questions on Rumble. So we are, and you can become a VIP at StoryTrading.com/app right there. StoryTrading.com/app. There you go. And if you join over there, you get a 1-week free trial, and then you can see me every morning at 9 a.m. and you get into our app, or VIP trading room in our app, and access the other features over there. Thank you so much for joining us. Spread the word. Let's see you here every day at youtube.com/StoryTrading. Have a great day and good luck, everyone.